Briar Rose Royal Suite, room 10666. This is our room for the weekend. Super excited about this. It is beautiful. When you first walk in, there is a bathroom right here with a full shower. And then as you come in and go to the left, you come to the kitchen, which is fully stocked in here. There's a sink. There is a fridge full of sodas and everything. And look at these. We even have the new Mickey bars in there. We've asked for several more. They have assured us they will bring them. And you can see through to the living room. See how pretty? They left us some welcome champagne and welcome cloudum, which was so nice, and also some cloudum that I purchased beforehand. Charcuterie board and real flowers, beautiful flowers. And here is the living room. The lamp over there is a tree branch. So cute. Okay, then we go over here towards the primary room. Look at this beautiful view. Some great details. And the curtains and shears all open and close with light switches. And we have a hall closet here. We've got robes and slippers in there. Lots of storage. And look at this bathroom. Woohoo! Look at that tub. Love it. And got a little bit of snack glass here. So if you are worried about that, we're just gonna click this light switch right here. Voila. Instant privacy, while still giving us lots of daylight. Okay, and we'll go into the second bedroom. We will save the veranda for last. And oops, I forgot there is a wine fridge here that is stocked, and they will restock it for us, and that's all included. Lots of nice details in here. There's a closet with some of those robes I mentioned, slippers. Here is the second room, and the second room has a veranda as well. It's just a smaller, normal sized veranda that does not connect to the large one, which is good for privacy. And the third bathroom with Bulgari bath products in both rooms. So we love this. Now let's go see the veranda. So you walk outside, just feels like a normal veranda. You know, we're in Port Canaveral now. And then you realize it just keeps going and going and going until you end up at our own hot tub with a nice glass side. Look at that. It is going to be a great few days in this suite. Thank you for watching.